Hey traders, oh my gosh, hi. Okay, listen, SEI is kind of doing its thing right now. It's up 9% in the last 24 hours. I know, right? Sitting around $0.061 and the trading volume up over 216%. Like, that is some serious energy. It's like SEI had coffee twice. So now the big question, are we looking at the start of a real bullish breakout here, or is this one of those sneaky little traps before a pullback? Because it could be either, and I don't want anyone getting blindsided. We just put together our latest SEI price prediction, key support levels, potential targets, all that good stuff, and it's up on our Patreon right now. If you're curious at all, seriously, go take a peek. The tester plan is only $10. Super simple way to see if our whole vibe matches your trading style. Links in the description right down there. And hey, do your own research, okay? This is not financial advice, just us talking.